It came! It finally came! The big one.
Okay, boys, I've been waiting a week and a half for this. A little backstory why I want this so bad. I live in a place where you can't really snowboard very much, and so in the winter we went on vacation to somewhere where you could, and I snowboarded and loved it, but then we couldn't do it anymore because winter was over. And then my friend showed me this video of a guy doing everything you can do on a snowboard with a skateboard. I pretty much just watched those videos all day, waiting, and then I was like, I've got to get me one of those. Here it is, right when you open the box. Nice. Dang, this thing's freaking heavy. This thing's so weird. These crazy looking wheels. Okay, let's see what's in the rest of the box. Okay, there's a charger. These are things for your feet. These are things to make it softer. Little screws. Okay, the controller was in this package. Pretty cool. Okay, so I don't know if it came charged, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug it up and see where the battery level's at.
2 hours later.
There we go. Okay, I've been riding it for a little while now. It died. I didn't get any footage of me riding it with the remote because I was busy riding it, but starting to get the hang of it.
The next day.
So I've stopped for a second, and that thing is freaking super fun, dude. It feels just like snowboarding. The first day I had problems because I didn't know you're supposed to turn on the board when you charge it. I figured it was just one of those things that you just plug it in and it charges. But now it's working really good today. I've been learning how to ride it. It's really just like staying on the middle wheels as much as possible.
I shoot the kill, I came to get down.
Okay, so I've had the Summerboard about a week and a half. It's been freaking awesome. I did break off this little cap thing for it, but I just contacted them and they sent me some new screws for it, which is really nice. There was also this calibration issue, but they walked me through using the app to fix it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.